Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am here today to review this beautiful collection of gel polishes by SUNBOW. Here's the packaging. This is available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. And what you can expect from this nice little kit or this box of gel polishes is 22 different colors plus 3, meaning 3 clear gels. You have a glossy top coat, a matte top coat, and of course the base, which is what you need to complete your gel manicure. I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like inside. Just a quick peek. Look at these beautiful colors. I'm going to go ahead and remove these from the box and take a closer look. Inside, when you open the box, you will find this little pamphlet with operating instructions. If you are new to applying gel polish, it takes you step by step on how to do this at home. So here they all are out of the box in their nice little foam packaging to keep them safe while shipping. Now I will go ahead and tell you this. So this collection consists of some bright colors and some pastels. The collection also have 4 different glitters. I will show them to you in a minute. And then here are the 3 clears, okay? So the typical bottle of the polishes, these are 5 ml bottles. Okay, these 5 ml bottles, you can see it has a full-size brush, which is nice. I still find them pretty comfortable to work with. Now the clears, the base, the top, and the top coats, they are 10 mLs. Okay, now I've gone ahead and placed them back upright so you can see the bottles, the colors are, you can identify them by the stickers on top of the brush right there on top of the bottle. So there you can, that's how you can tell the color. And I found these to be pretty close to, so here's this A042. Here we're going to take it closer than theirs. See, that's very close to the, if you can, well, the lighting's going to be different because you're looking at the inside the bottle. But they did a really good job at the labels, keeping the labels or making them the same color, reflect the same color as the polish is what I'm trying to say. And the range of the collection as far as the labels, they go from A037 in order this way all the way to A054. Now these are the cream colors. The 4 glitters, the labels are from G009, 10, 11, and 12. Okay guys, so for the sake of time, I have already swatched these colors on this color wheel that I have here. I have all 22 of them to show you. Let's start out with these beautiful glitters. Take a look. So we have this beautiful purple and it has, let's see, all of them. Yes, they all have holographic glitters in there mixed in with the colors. So this blue has some gorgeous holographic glitters in there mixed in. The purple is not as obvious, but they're in there, teeny tiny. This purple is gorgeous. So mixed in here, there's also some metallic glitter as well. Then we have this silver holographic. The silver holographic has a clear base. Purple has a purple blue. The purple has a purple base, the blue has a blue base. This beautiful pink, I don't know, it's like a pink or a peach. Beautiful. I love this color. It's not like pink or it's not orange, maybe a peach. And it is holographic glitters with a peach color base. There are those 4, absolutely gorgeous. Then the other 18 that we have here to complete the collection, this is to start out with A037, and I have them in order. And believe it or not guys, you have to trust me when I say I only did 1 coat for each one of these. They have beautiful pigment. I was very happy with the pigment with 1 application and a natural glossy finish. Here's the purple and this blue. So these are the bright colors, and then the true. So this is a, okay, so I started out, this purple, blue, and red are just your regular colors. Then we start going into these neons. Oh my gosh, it's going to fool the camera. But these 2, they might seem similar on camera, but this is an orange, and this orange neon, it's kind of like a jelly base. This one is gosh, it's not pink because there's a pink neon right over here. This is purple. So that's just a, like, I don't know, it's like a coral. It's a neon coral. It's what I will say that is. Then we have purple, the pink, the neon green, this yellow. Oh my gosh, super bright. Again, one coat for each one of these. Then we have some pastels. So we start going into the pastels. This pretty terracotta color, a dark lilac. Then we have a mint, a peach, pink. We have a soft yellow, pastel blue, and then pastel coral, and then the lilac, and we're back to the beginning of the wheel. So here they all are. Okay, now to demonstrate the effect of the glossy top coat against the matte top coat, I did every other color. I did it with the matte and then alternating with the glossy. There you can see the difference. It's like you basically double your collection when you have a matte top coat. I just absolutely love the matte finish in many colors, if not all of them. And then they both cure without a tacky layer, okay? So there's no wiping, and that matte top coat comes out matte straight out of the lamp. There it is. So this concludes my demonstration and swatches of this beautiful collection of gel polishes by SUNBOW. Again, available on Amazon. If you have any questions about them, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank SUNBOW for sending me this gorgeous gel polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.